Hi, it's me. Socotra Island, Yemen. Alien-like dragon blood trees and bizarre landscapes. It feels like Earth's version of Mars. Socotra is an island in the Indian Ocean that has been cut off from the rest of the world for millions of years. It's home to some of the most bizarre alien-looking plants and animals on Earth. And it feels like we have found the closest thing that we have on Earth to life on Mars. But what makes this island so special? What can we learn about the incredible creatures that live there? And how can we protect this unique ecosystem? Let's find out. Millions of years ago, Socotra was actually connected to mainland Somalia. But over time, the tectonic plates have shifted, and now it stands alone in the Indian Ocean, 240 kilometers off the coast of Yemen. Today, the island is a part of Yemen, but it feels a world away from the country's ongoing conflict. The landscape is unlike anywhere else on Earth. Bizarre alien-looking trees dominate the scenery. Many of them are completely red. The trunks look like pipes from a science fiction movie set, and many of them have a thick layer of white chalk covering them. The most iconic tree on the island is the dragon blood tree. These trees look like nothing else on Earth. Their thick trunks and branches are covered in a red sap that looks like blood. This is where the tree gets its name. But it's not just the trees that look alien. The island's rocks also have a strange appearance. They're often shaped into bizarre shapes that look like something from another planet. This is because of the erosion caused by the wind and the rain. The water has eroded the rock over time, creating these strange and unusual shapes. The landscape of Socotra is truly unlike anything else on Earth. It's a place where imagination runs wild and anything seems possible. It's no wonder that the island has become such a popular destination for tourists and filmmakers alike. But what makes Socotra so special is not just its scenery. It's also home to some of the most bizarre alien-looking plants and animals on Earth. Take the bottle tree, for example. This tree has a thick trunk that's covered in brown, warty skin. The bark is very rough and bumpy, which gives the tree a very strange appearance. The tree gets its name from the fact that its branches are very thin and flexible, which makes them look like bottles. The branches are also very brittle, which means they snap easily. This makes the tree very prone to falling over in strong winds. But despite its strange appearance, the bottle tree is a very important part of the Socotra ecosystem. Its roots help to hold the soil in place and prevent erosion. It also provides food and shelter for many animals on the island. But the bottle tree is not the only strange plant on Socotra. There are many other species of plants on the island that look like nothing else on Earth. One of the most bizarre is the cucumber tree. This tree has a thick, hairy trunk that looks like a giant spider. Its branches are covered in small, spiky leaves that make the tree look like a prickly pear cactus. The cucumber tree gets its name from the fact that its fruit looks like a cucumber. The fruit is very hard and woody, and it has a very strong smell. Not many animals are willing to eat it, but it is an important source of food for the Socotra people, the indigenous people of Socotra. They use the fruit of the cucumber tree in traditional medicine. They also use the wood of the tree to make boats and other objects. Another bizarre plant on Socotra is the desert rose. This plant has thick, fleshy leaves that look like the petals of a flower. The leaves are very succulent, which means they're full of water. This helps the plant to survive in the dry, hot climate of Socotra. Desert roses come in a variety of colors, including pink, purple, and red. They're an important part of the Socotra ecosystem, providing food and shelter for many animals. But it's not just the plants on Socotra that look like aliens. The island is also home to some very strange animals. One of the most bizarre is the Socotra starling. This bird has a thick, heavy bill that looks like a snake. Its feathers are very dark, almost black, and it has a very loud, harsh voice. The Socotra starling is a scavenger, which means it feeds on dead animals. It is an important part of the island's ecosystem as it helps to clean up dead animals and recycle their nutrients. Another strange animal on Socotra is the Socotra chameleon. This reptile is very small, no bigger than a thumbnail. It has a long, slender body and a very long tail. The Socotra chameleon is very good at camouflage, which means it can blend in with its surroundings. This helps it to ambush its prey, which consists of other insects. Socotra Island is truly a one-of-a-kind destination. From its bizarre alien-looking trees and plants to its strange animals, Socotra is unlike anywhere else on Earth. It's a place where imagination runs wild and anything seems possible. But Socotra is facing some serious threats. Climate change is causing the temperatures on the island to rise, which is leading to more droughts and wildfires. This is having a devastating impact on the island's unique ecosystem. If we don't take action to protect Socotra, it's possible that many of its unique species could go extinct. We need to do everything we can to protect this amazing place. That means reducing our carbon footprint to help combat climate change and supporting organizations that are working to preserve Socotra's biodiversity. Socotra is a truly special place. It's a place where we can experience the beauty of nature like nowhere else on Earth. It is a place where we can learn about the amazing animals and plants that share this planet with us. It's a place where we can connect with each other and with the natural world around us. So let's do everything we can to protect Socotra. Let's make sure that future generations can experience the wonder of this amazing island. Thanks for watching. Do you think life on Mars might look like the plants and animals on Socotra? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.